Hey credit cousins, it's your girl designer Soapbox and I am back with another banger video. So today let's talk about how to increase your credit score as soon as possible. We all want high credit scores and we want to know ways to increase them. But did you know it's not what you do, it's how you do it, and that involves strategy. So first, if you are thinking to yourself, man, I need a higher credit score, then ask yourself why first. Do you want a home? Do you want a car? Are you looking to rent a new apartment? Are you looking to invest and need a loan and or a line of credit to help leverage your business? These are things you should ask yourself before making decisions on how to increase your credit score very quickly. Now, if you are someone who just wants a decent credit score and you're not looking for any get quick tips like this video, then I encourage you to continue on being patient and of course paying your bill on time like the adult you already are. I hope so. And keeping a low utilization in due time, give it 2 to 5 years, your credit score will increase over time with age or in beyond. So that's the good old safe way that even my parents and grandparents do, and I know it's the same for your parents and grandparents as well, because back in the day there wasn't things like this and they did it the old-fashioned way and they have almost a perfect credit score. So there is a traditional way in how you can get a perfect credit score or so close to it, and that's just by time. But for those who need something quick and fast, it's 2021, we're used to things being instant, right? That's just the way things are now. So here we are finding ways, and I want to give you guys this tip. So this is a tip that you can use quick and fast results within 1 month. So here's what you can do to maximize your credit score and to get all of your points. Try to make your regular purchases on different credit cards. By spending the purchases over more than one credit card and paying them off, you can leave 1 to 3% utilization on all of them to report. So basically you're making small purchases on each credit card, and this is good because each item costs less, right? More purchases are reported to the credit bureaus faster. So for example, if it costs more than $10, charge it to your credit card but pay it off and leave 1 to 3 utilization on your credit card. I recommend only doing this if you need the points, of course, and you are trying to get approved. But this, like I said in the beginning of the video, involves strategy. So you always want to make sure, does this go with my strategy of what I'm doing? And this can easily get you approved and get that credit score increase. So the credit score will help if you do this. Please keep in mind, I recommend doing this on your lower interest credit cards, okay? And make sure you know your credit card statement and due dates that you decide to leave a balance on. A good rule of thumb is to keep all of your due dates around the same time. Remember, you are paying your bills, so you don't want to miss them, okay? You don't want to miss your due date or your statement date, because then, of course, this tip doesn't work. Try to keep your balance on each credit card as small as possible and try to keep it a very small percentage. So for example, if you have 2 credit cards, one with $10,000 limit and one with a $20,000 limit, simply charge twice as much on the higher limit card to maximize your score. A good rule of thumb is to know when your balance exceeds 50+% of your limit, you begin to lose points. And when your balance is 1 to 10%, you get the most points of your credit score. So please keep in mind that good rule of thumb. I know if you're familiar with credit and how credit works, you always hear credit specialists or anybody that knows about credit to keep it under 30%. If you want a good credit increase, keep it between 1 to 3, or some people see maximum benefit from 1 to 5% of utilization. This approach not only enables you to regain control of your accounts, but also helps you maximize your credit score, because accounts that exceeds 50% of the limit counts more heavily against you. When all of your credit cards are at 45% of your limit or below, you may want to allocate more money to the highest interest rates cards. Keep in mind, the reason why I'm encouraging 1 to 3% utilization is because you are also determined by your debt to income ratio. So credit score only plays a factor in not the overall decision. So if you don't know, now you know. Debt to income ratio, especially if you're buying a home, could make you or break you. So this is why strategy matters, because keeping utilization on your credit card is still debt, even though it may increase your credit score. Okay? I know getting in debt actually increase your credit score. It's very ironic, but that's the point of a credit score, is to show, can you pay this debt off if we give it to you, right? Now, it still adds to your debt, so keep in mind that you realize that and you do have to pay it back, okay? I know that sounds very elementary to say, but a lot of people don't think that they don't have to pay their debt back, okay? So you do. So anywho, I hope this video is beneficial to some. And like I said, strategy. You need a strategy if you want to increase your credit score. Credit is strategy. No one really cares about your credit score but lenders, so use it wisely. So credit cousins, make sure you leave a like on this video, and that basically tells me that you are picking up what I'm putting down. And let me know in the comments, are you looking to boost your credit score quickly, and why? Remember, having a why first in a strategy works out for the best, because you are leveraging your credit for your own gain. Make sure to comment down below if you are comfortable, so other credit cousins can learn more about it. This channel is all about learning from each other, and I look forward to your feedback. So see you guys in the next video, and don't forget, I love you all. Bye. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, I'm here to let you know that today will be the last day that the Instant Hard Ink Removal Guide will be for sale. So if you haven't got it, please make sure you click the link down in the description below to learn how you can remove your hard inquiries in as little as 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours, you can remove your inquiries. So click the link down below in the description box to learn how you can remove your late payments, hard inquiries, collections, charge-offs, and so much more. You don't want to miss out. Hey, are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss?